Hi and welcome to another episode of Type with me. In this episode we will talk about optional chaining. So imagine we have something like this select foo, and then we want to do something like this, right? Well, this will fail obviously because foo is undefined. And then of course when we want to do something like this, .log x, it will fail. So let me demonstrate this. We will build this. When we do now node dot, you will see that we have an error, which is completely normal because bar is not defined, right? So what we can do then is use optional chaining. So to solve this, we can add a question mark before it, and then of course when we now build this and execute this, we get undefined, which is great, right? That's what we want. So imagine that foo just is an object. And here we get very powerful thing. When bar is just a string, right? And we execute this, you will see that it will fail, which is perfectly normal because foo is defined. So he goes further and then he asks for bar, but on bar we don't have buzz method, right? So it will fail. That's what we expect. And it does. Right, so great. So one of the things that we can do is add an if around this. So we can do if foo and if foo dot bar and foo dot bar dot buzz. But this is very cumbersome, right? You need to write a lot of code, and imagine that you have even one level deeper. It's hard to do so. So, well, when we do this, you can then do console.log not available. Great. So we just build this again. And then you will see that it will not give any errors, which is very great, right? But still we need to write a lot of code. So imagine that we create here buzz, and that buzz is a function that returns hello. Well, this is great, right? Because then now we get something back that gives us hello. Great. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, that you now know how to use optional chaining, that you will use optional chaining when you have Typescript 3.7 at your bells. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to know more and learn more about TypeScript, the evolution of the web, and some other great stuff that I will cover in future tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.